Hello guys, good morning. Myself N.S. Yadav, our channel in GB Fish Coaching Classes. Today we shall discuss the motion in a plane for class 11th. Class 11th, motion in a plane. First of all, we shall discuss the position vector and the displacement of a particle moving in a plane. Position vector and displacement. Of a particle moving in a plane. Like a particle is moving in xy plane. At any time t, it is at point A, having position vector r1 and coordinate x1, y1. This is x1 and this is y1. After time, it is this position at time t. After time t plus delta t, its position is at point B. It is point B. This is moving like this. Now the position vector is from A, position vector A to B. So this is R2 vector minus R1 vector is equal to delta R vector. Let a particle at time t, it is at point A, having position vector r1 and coordinates x1, y1. Then r1 is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap. This is at time t. And after time t plus delta t, its position is R2 and coordinates x2 by 2. Then R2 position is equal to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap. Now the displacement between A and B E to B, R2 vector minus R1 vector. This is delta R. Then x2 I cap plus by 2 j cap minus x1 I cap minus by 1 plus by 1 j cap. It becomes x2 minus x1 I cap plus by 2 minus by 1 j cap. We can write it delta vector R delta x I cap plus delta by j cap. Where delta x is equal to x2 minus x1 and delta y is equal to by 2 minus y1. So thus we can write the magnitude of the displacement. Magnitude of the displacement delta R mode x2 minus x1 or by 2 minus by 1 square, or we can write delta x square and delta y square. Once again we can explain. O is the origin, x and y is the plane. At any time t, the particle is at point A. After time t plus delta t, it reaches at point B. The position vector of point A is R1 vector and position vector of B2 is R2 vector. The displacement is R2 minus R1. This is delta R. So we can write R1 equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap and R2 equal to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap. The displacement is R2 vector minus R1 vector. So x2 I cap plus y2 j cap minus x1 I cap plus y1 j cap. This becomes x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap. Or we can write delta x I cap plus delta y j cap. Here delta x equal to x2 minus x1 and delta y equal to y2 minus y cap. In the magnitude form we can write this way. So this is all about the position vector and the displacement of a particle moving in a plane. We finish here our lecture. Okay.